The Lord will make you the head and not the tail. You will be above only and not beneath. If you obey the commandments of the Lord your God, I give you this day, and carefully follow them. Listen, here's the blueprint. All right? Carefully follow the commandments of the Lord. You will become the head and not the tail. Above only and not beneath in this life, man. It's time to turn it up a notch. Let's go. What's good, my people? So I figured I might as well let the people in as I'm trading. I just placed this first trade. So I'm like, you know what? Let me start recording so that people can actually see me in process. So, you know, I marked up a couple zones. We outside the cut. And I'm actually trading very late in the day, which is something I normally never do. It is a Monday. So I wasn't even going to trade today, but I waited till the market kind of cooled off and then gave me this nice drop. So I decided to get in. Now I'm low-key salty I didn't get in the second entry because it looked like this one's going to go. I was going to get in the second entry right at the top of the zone, but all right. So as you can see, the some of these trades are not really, the percentages aren't all that. I mean, they're pretty good though. They're still pretty good. They was a little higher than this earlier. I really want this one because it is 91%. And so let me see what I'm willing to do. I'm gonna go check out the M15 first. It looked like we still may want to go up and reconnect. So I'm gonna just start buying in this area as well. I'm gonna do another 170 as we're coming down and rejecting. Now, this is one thing I was gonna tell y'all. If you start to see more candles starting to push this way, we're probably gonna push down a little bit more to form that zigzag and then go back up. The reason why I'm kind of confident on the buys is because of that M15. The M15, if we come and look at it, I mean, look where it's at. It then already did a pullback. It came all the way back up here, and I feel like they probably want to push up and reconnect. So that's kind of what I'm looking for in the future. So that's kind of where we at with this. If this one doesn't go, I'm gonna hit them with another one. We're just gonna keep going until we get what we need out the deal. You feel me? So got about 6 seconds, and it look like they gonna keep pushing down. Bingo, right to where I need it to. Boom. And there's entry number 2. All right, so entry number 3. Like I said, I'm about to just go big because why not? Entry number 3 gonna be 670. You know what I mean? Why not, bro? You know, if you're gonna do it, you gotta do it. That's how I feel. You want to get to the goals you want to get to, you gotta be willing to risk what you're willing to risk, and you gotta be okay with it. All right. So we're gonna see what this one do. Keep marking these zones up here for my other bounces. All right, that's what you always want to do. You want to make sure you got all your rejection areas that you can find, you know, to make sure you get what you need to get out the deal. Now, it's having a hard time messing with that 20 moving average in the middle. That's what it was rejecting off of. So, got 5 seconds left. We're going to see if it holds. It look like we're good to go. 2 and 1. Money bags. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Now I can go ahead and go back to 170, you know, and see if there's anything else. Back to your USD, gave us another drop at that same zone, which is beautiful. These lower end percentages, it's not really what I'm wanting to see. Okay, I like this one. The reason why I like this one, it's 81, but we got a lot of rejection up in here. So hopefully I didn't miss it. Yeah, hopefully we can get the push down a little bit more. I might still be able to entertain this one, but I really wanted to push down in here. As you can see all these wicks. Oh, here we go. All right, that was kind of late. But if it continues down, we'll entertain it some more. We'll entertain it some more, baby. As long as you got your entries, you should be confident to keep on rolling, baby. And I know this goes all the way to the bottom, so I'll start adding more zones. You feel me? Adding a few more zones up in this joint. Ooh, he might catch him, so let me wait. Yeah, he might catch him. Part of me be wanting to wait. I'm like, shoot, is he gonna get up there or not? So yeah, this is, this is what we do, man. God is good, blessing me with this skill set. Hit him with that. I think they want to form that zigzag now. You see how it's starting to stretch out now? Probably want to start to form that zigzag now. So, okay, we lost that one. So that was one. Okay. See if we get the second one over here. Seems like the second one usually the one we always try and get. Easy money though. Should be, unless they want to play. If so, then we got a lot more rejections down here. A lot more. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of rejections down up in this joint. So I'm here for it. Come on now. We getting that. That's a nice look right there. Power of them zones, baby. Power of the zones. Get you every time. All right, 33. All right, 33. Looking good, baby. See if there's anything else. See, now as these trades start to come back down, all I do is look to the left, find rejection areas, right? So now if I wanted to start buying, it'll line up with my stochastic. Start getting a couple double buys. We ain't got no double buy arrows yet, which means we will probably continue to push down a little bit. But so far, so good. Just trying to see what else, because these percentages starting to get low. Let me see the schedule. If you ever want to go check the schedule out, it'll show you, of course. We got 3 hours left before these pop off of here. Yeah, so let's check here. I think I did 5 trades, so it ain't updated yet. But so far, 300, more than that, I think, because we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 trades. So I haven't updated completely yet. I'm thinking about getting back in this one, but let me check that in 15. I don't know. We did break a high. We did break this though, so chances are it could go up a little bit more. So part of me want to entertain that, but I'm gonna have to come back down to 170. See if this make me work a little bit. All right, so we're gonna enter this trade right here. This may be the last one, depending on how they do. That last one, sometimes I try to make it work, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. But yeah, man, I just tell people, man, come in the markets confident. As long as you got these zones set up, or you got the software, hey, your confidence should be through the roof. I love doing it both ways, though. If I don't feel like marking up, I just take the signals from the zone software. If I do feel like marking up, then I'll just come in here and do my thing. You feel me? Let's see. That 20, man, that 20 moving average, it acts as support and resistance too. So that's why we're getting that rejection right there as well. But so far, if we could just hold 3, 2, 1, another money bags. Stop playing with me in these markets, baby. Stop playing with your boy. I need to let all this update, man. So far, these are the trades for today. That's how I've been cooking. You already seen that one from last time, but yeah. Get one, lose one, get one, lose one, get 2. That's a good day right there. So I'll let this update and then I'll come back. All right, y'all. So a casual, come on now, a casual $569. Just chilling. That didn't take long at all, man. About 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? God is good, all the time. It's so crazy to be able to do this casually, just chilling, bro. I'm chilling at the crib. You know what I'm saying? And made this easy paper. You feel me? Oh, man. But yeah, so this is what we do. If you want to get involved, click all the links below. Everything you need below. Holla at your boy on Instagram. Whatever you got to do to make sure you get your money right, I'm here for that. That's my calling. That's my calling. I'm supposed to help people get their paper right. And not for the glory of me, for the glory of Jesus, so you can further his kingdom and be givers and good stewards and just be a blessing to other people. That's what it's all about, man. None of this I do is because of me. God blessed me way too much for me to take any credit for any of this, because I know I ain't that smart. You know what I'm talking about? He done blessed me everything I got. So this is what I'm here for, man. So I love y'all. I want y'all to eat. I want y'all to win. Continue to watch. And I keep dropping videos. You dig? Let's get it.